doesn't matter. We could fill up like 50 of these. Look at how many. It doesn't take that much to fill it up. They're big.
Oh my god, look at how big this guy is.
Oh my god. Do you think we should eat some?
No.
Let's go away. I'm almost full, are you?
No. Look at this.
Squirrels are gonna be mad.
Really mad. We're like, oh, those people. If they come near, I'm gonna scare them away. Ooh, I'm big, I'm big.
I'm almost full.
I'm not.
You got a big one.
Look how much I got. These things are huge.
Huh?
These things are huge.
No.
We could find one as big as this bottle.
I don't know about that.
How big is yours? Oh, yeah. You are full. Whoa, I found this really cool nut.
Throw it to me. I don't know what this is.
Really cool.
Here.
It's so cool, isn't it?
Yeah, put it in your pocket.
Where is it?
It's right there.
Oh, shoot. This didn't take long though.
Supposed to get more.
Mine's almost finished. The squirrels are gonna be really mad.
Yeah. I think there's some over there.
There's a lot over here. There's a huge one over here. When you do this when you do the sculpture with your friend with these acorns, are you gonna say, my sister collected the big pile thing?
Yeah, do you want me to?
Yeah.
Then I will. I'll say my sister collected the big jar of acorns, and I collected the small one.